close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now, open them and step into this moment with me. We're looking out over a perfectly still mountain lake, under a sky filled with a million shimmering stars. The water is a perfect mirror, reflecting the cosmos above. Can you see it? That faint silhouette on the distant rock. It's a figure in deep meditation, a symbol of profound peace, perfectly one with the night. Every now and then, a gentle ripple disturbs the water, a fleeting thought in the vastness of eternity. But just as quickly, it fades, and the perfect stillness returns. Notice how the stars seem to breathe, a soft, cosmic pulse. In this silence, you can feel the infinite. It's a feeling of unity, of divine peace, where time itself seems to stand still. This isn't just a view, it's an invitation to find that same stillness within yourself. Thank you for sharing this moment. For more journeys into peace, please like and subscribe.